Have you ever stuck in such situation where a little white lie could save you a day? There are countless reasons why might you want to fake your location on iPhone, such as changing your location in location-based games like Pokemon Go. But what if I told you that you could do it without the need of computer? Yes, you had that right. Forget about complicated setups and cumbersome software. With just a few clicks, you can trick your iPhone into thinking you are anywhere in the world. So without wasting any time, let me show you how it's done. So in today's video, we're going to be using iAnyGo iOS application, which is quite easy to use, as I have mentioned the downloading in the description. For the first time, you would be required to use your computer to set up your iPhone. Then you don't need the computer for changing your iPhone location later on. So first of all, open the given link on your computer and click on download now. Once you're downloading and the installation is done of iAnyGo assistant application on your desktop, simply run the application. Now you will be required to log in into the iOS assistant by using the Apple ID and passcode. This is basically just for the first time. Once you enter your iPhone ID details, you will see install iAnyGo iOS application. Just click on that. Now at this point, make sure your iPhone is connected to the desktop. This process is only required for the first time, as I said earlier as well. Now at this moment, you will be required to turn on the developer mode, which you can do that by going into settings, privacy and security. You will find out that and turn it on. Then just restart your iPhone. When your iPhone turned on, and within few seconds, you will see iAnyGo and iAnyGo IP Finder on the desktop. You can see it just appear on my iPhone screen as well. Now at this point, we need to make the iAnyGo application as a trusted application. So again, go to settings, journal, VPN and device management, and you will find out that there, just click on as a trusted application. It's a requirement just for the first time, so we can use it properly. Now open iAnyGo application on your iPhone and give all the access to the application. It will take you to the iAnyGo IP Finder as well, which will also require some access, so make sure you allow all of them. Now you can disconnect your iPhone at this point, as we don't need the computer after installation the application. So we are all set. This is the main interface with all the features where we got 4 modes, which I'm going to show you each of them. Now first of all, I'm sending my location on WhatsApp just to show you what is my real location, and you can see that I'm sending my location from this iPhone to another one. You can see it's my real location. Now let's quickly change it to somewhere else. So just simply select any location where you want to jump and click on the blue icon, which can be used to change your iPhone in case if you want to jump to somewhere instantly. We are using this app for the first time, so it needs some extra access. Just simply allow all of them, and once the configuration is done, come back to iAnyGo application. Now again, click on the blue icon, and that's it. This iPhone location is completely changed to the new location. Let me send my location on WhatsApp again to show you my new location, as it's totally safe and quite easy to use, just like that. You can see that our new location is here. You can change it to anywhere, and it's guaranteed no one will find out it's a fake location. Another mode we have is a single spot mode, by which you can make fake movement. It will feel like you are traveling, but in reality you wouldn't even moving. You can adjust your speed as well. As you can see, just simply select your destination where you want to make a movement and adjust your speed, and your movement will feel so real. Then we have multi-spot mode, which is quite similar as a single spot mode, but in multi-spot mode you can select many location as you want. So after reaching to one point, it will start moving toward other location. These location movement feature are quite useful in such scenarios when you are playing games like Pokemon Go and you want to travel some other locations. Just simply use these features and get access to all around the world from the comfort of your home. Then we have joystick movement mode as well. This is also very useful. For example, you change your location in Pokemon Go and now you want to make some real movement. Just use the joystick movement and enjoy your gameplay. Another feature we have is changing your location continuously after cooldown. You can select many locations on the map and there would be a cooldown. So once the cooldown ends, it will jump to another location automatically. If you are playing in the location based game, you would know how useful these features are. You can use the search bar as well. Just search your desired location, click anywhere you want to be virtually, and your location will be changed to the new country or new location. as I have changed my location to Italy from the search bar. Now let me send my location again on WhatsApp to see if it's actually changed to Italy, and you can see that it's totally on point and working perfectly. So that's it. You can check your favorite locations if you have saved, and history can be checked as well later on if you want to know your locations where you have been. If you want to get back into your location, you can do that by using the application, but I will prefer to restart your iPhone to get back into real location. The iAnyGo is also available for Android user. I have mentioned the download link as well for Android users. Just open that link if you are Android user and download from there. I've mentioned the download link for the iPhone user as well. Just simply download it on your desktop, set up your iPhone the way I showed you in this video, and have fun with your new locations on your iPhone. Let me know if you guys have got any question in your mind. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.